first time coming across the Diaspora channel, you are very welcome. Today I'm taking you right outside the resort so you can see and experience something special. It was so good having the beach all to yourself in the morning. I hope you are all well. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. I'm Kai, and if you haven't yet subscribed, kindly subscribe so you can follow my journey here, living my best life on the motherland. Let me just show you around. We are going to the beach now so you can see how this whole place looks like. So let's go, guys. Coucou les amis, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. J'espère que vous allez tous bien. Je vous amène à la plage. The beach actually is right behind where we are staying. It's just literally like a 3-minute walk. Guys, you see how beautiful this looks like. The view right here is everything. Around 9 a.m. here. What I really like about this resort is the fact that the beach is right outside, 3-minute walk and you are here. And I truly had a great time in the morning, coming here, walking, reflecting, taking a breath of fresh air. It was just so refreshing. And that is something, if you want to visit Togo and you are going to stay in Lomé, check out La Maison Bleue Resort. You're going to love it here. Another thing I like about the beach here is very clean. You can see how the sun is super clean, and that is what you're going to experience when you go to different beaches here in Togo. And you have to visit Togo yourself to experience this, and you're going to definitely love it. After our little walk on the beach, it's time to go back in and have our breakfast. Lori's right here. I was just teasing her. I want her to tell you what she's eating.
I'm enjoying Togo cuisine. Baguette with omelette. A omelette.
Oui!
Alright,
guys, we finished with our breakfast now. So we're going to go to one of our top chefs here, Chef Olivia, who will be cooking for us today. Donc on va chez Chef Olivia et elle va faire de bons plats pour nous. Yeah, guys, we are right at the workshop of Chef Olivia. So we'll be going right inside so you can see a little bit how things looks like. So the place is located at Ahanukope here in Lome. If you're wondering what is the meaning, it simply means a village where you come and drink. So not only good food will be available, but you're going to have some good drinks as well.
Oh my god, let's meet her.
Hello. Bonjour. Madame Olivia. This is our beautiful chef. Chef Olivia DESOUZA is one of the best in Africa when it comes to the authentic West African cuisine. She is one of the best, and I'm so excited to share her space with you. And it was an amazing time spending time with her, knowing more about her journey to become one of the best chefs in Africa. Though it wasn't easy, it was all worth it, and she's using it as well to inspire others. I really love this bag, and you can see that was the first thing I grabbed when I was there. It was so beautiful. She also shared with us how her parents were not happy when she decided to become a chef, because for them is, after all, we send you to Europe, pay those heavy fees, not for you to become a chef, but it was all worth it. And she's using her experience to inspire young Togolese, young Africans to follow their dreams and passion. The table is beautifully set, and it's time for us to go in the kitchen so she can do her magic. You can see a beautiful display of all the fresh and organic ingredients she's going to use to cook for us. And I love these beautiful handmade cooking pots. I wish to grab one, that looks so strong as well.
Poivre blanc du Togo, sésame.
Ooh, j'aime bien. Great.
Il est très.
Wow.
Really nice.
Il est vraiment très bien. And it's very nice.
It looks good as well and fresh.
Yeah, c'est naturel. C'est-à-dire que je sais d'où viennent les produits que je fais dans la cuisine.
On the stove here, you can see the onion frying, the chickpeas as well, and some corn. Chef Olivia uses most of the time fresh ingredients. Lori grabbed up a book at that time to practice her French, and it was so funny. But well done, Lori. The food is ready, and you can see it right there, looking so tasty and yummy. And we're going to dive into it shortly. Her food presentation was on point, and the portion was just perfect for me. And the fresh avocado on top is everything. Lori was so excited. You can see her face, and she cannot wait to dive into it. And this is me right here, busy with my food. Guys, you need to taste this to understand what I'm talking about.
Les oignons sont bio. Ça veut dire que c'est sans pesticides, c'est naturel. On n'a pas mis de pesticides dans les ingrédients qu'on utilise. Donc du coup, ça a encore plus de goût. Et on le sent, et je suis contente de le voir. Vous le sentez dans les assiettes.
The food was so tasty, and you can see how this brother right here, Matthias, is just enjoying himself. And Elvis over there, his plate is very clean, as you guys can see. This is Lori right here tucking it in, as you can see, and you can definitely tell she's enjoying it. and that's her plate very clean. Now it's time for me to try the drink, and that drink, guys, was fire. Couldn't hold myself. I have to ask Chef Olivia if there is a little bit of something in, which she actually confirmed.
Wow. Est-ce que vous avez ajouté un peu d'alcool?
Oui, il y a du rhum.
Aha! You know now.
Check with Chef Olivia if there is alcohol in it, and she said yes. It was actually rum, and that took the drink to another level. For dessert, we had mango sorbet, which was so delicious.
It's like a fresh picked mango that I'm actually eating, not like ice cream.
You freeze the mango,
Okay.
and after that you put it in the blender and you
Blend.
So that's how you make this
Just
mango
fresh.
and you
sorbet.
put some spice if you
Spice.
want. But me,
This is fine.
I just put some lemon
Okay.
juice.
But you can't even taste
You
that.
can't
Because
taste
lemon juice put the taste.
The next level.
Yes.
It tastes just like
That's
fresh
why
mango
it's
from
so
the tree.
fresh, like a
Yeah.
mango you are
From
just
the tree,
eating.
yeah.
Thanks so much, Chef Olivia, for having us. Such a great time spending the afternoon with Chef Olivia, enjoying her cooking, and also going home knowing some key things if we want to have tasty meals and what we're supposed to use. So if you're planning to visit Togo and you want to experience the very authentic Togolese cuisine, you can reach out to Chef Olivia. She's a very, very busy lady, but she might just be able to fit you in. And don't forget to try the punch cocoa. You're going to love it and thank me for it later. Thanks so much to Megagues for taking us along. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you all in my next one. Si vous avez aimé le vlog, n'oubliez pas de liker. À plus tard.